This is a tractor pull, a competition where souped-up tractors pull a heavy sled along a 330-foot track. This one had a little too much power, as you can see by the engine jumping out of the front of the truck. Baby's first strawberry. It's okay, you'll get it eventually, little guy. This is the Cooper's Hill cheese rolling competition near Gloucester, England. The rules are simple. The cheese is rolled down the hill, the people run down the hill, and the first one to the bottom gets the cheese. Usually the cheese isn't the only thing that ends up rolling down the hill. Must be good cheese. This guy shows how to build an acoustic tractor beam which can levitate small objects from sound waves. Time to eat your egg.
I changed my mind. My dream home is no longer Jeannie's bottle. It's this.
I'm gonna put him away now. Just stop it.
Here's the check for what I owe you, and just FYI, from now on at work, I'm gonna...
At the penguin exhibit in SeaWorld San Diego, this little guy decided to show off, but before he knew it, he had made a big mistake.
Hop right over.
Luckily, the zookeeper was around to help him out, though by the way she casually tosses him back into the exhibit, this probably isn't the first time this has happened.
I got it on video, so I can take a snap underneath this. Oh my god! He touched it! He touched it!
That's it for this video. I'll see you soon.